Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is learn how to manage dashboard in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. And, in this video, we will learn about the WordPress dashboard trial. This is the dashboard of the part of the dashboard of WordPress, where you will manage your trial. So it looks like this, and you can test from any of this widget. These are all called as widget. You can move them. Just make sure you click on the screening options screen off trial, and you can select any of the option which you do not want to see in your dashboard. Right, and it will talk about this part about you. If you want to know more about what all in documentation, their support forum, and if you want to give feedback, then go here and you can select whichever option of support option, and to be able to visit your website, to click on this option. If you take your mouse over this place, it will show you visit site, and you can simply visit strangle how the website is looking as of now after installing this demo. And this is the poor comments part, and if anyone has commented on any of you, or maybe you want to verify whether you want to approve or disapprove from this option, you can accept or reject this comment. And this is for appointments, and like if anyone has any appointment on from your website, and you can see all the pending appointments and which are apartments. And to option 2 dogs enough settings just to set appointments, right? So if you have trading options, you do not appoint, you don't want to take people's appointment on weekends, then you can customize with the help of the settings. And if you talk about this is the Jeff Beck is a login for SEO, which by default comes with the theme. And this option is like if you want to create a new post, or you want to see what all posts you have so far, you can simply go to this post option, and it will, if you click on or post, you all the post whatever is present on your website so far. To add new post, you have to click contract new button. And if you have different categories in essence, and like for example, SEO digital marketing is bookmarking, whatever you have different categories, then you can create and edit the categories from here. And this is not bad. So late if you want to tag any of the post, and just to see whatever tags you have used so far to edit as well, and you can use this option. And this option is for media. So this media is only used for maybe you are trying to upload image or video. You can see all the media files like image, video, multimedia, MP3, whatever. So you can see all the media files from the library. And if you want to add new media files, you have to click on add new button, and you can add new media, new image or new videos, whatever. You will get one browser, and you can select that media location and you can add it, and this option is 4 pages. If you want to see what all pages you have, you can click on all pages. Or else if you want to add new pages, you can simply try new, and it will redirect you to a new page, and you have to give you name, the page name, whatever you want to create, and the new page will be created. And this section is for comments, which I have already mentioned here. So, you can moderate, you can select whose comments you want to keep on your website to edit, delete, you can do this options. Try this option is for a better lately if you are doing any of the event, like if you are throwing a party, or maybe if you want to give some value added services, maybe you are trying something new, some events, you can use this option, and people can book online from your website. And if you want to categorize this events, you can select these options. And just to see how many members have enrolled for the event, you can select you can upload or separate from this members area trial. And this is for services innocence in the whole page. Job the website or the team, if you want to add new services or just to see what services categories you have, you can use option and the backend system designed this option. This team already provides an option by which the people who can apply like a job portal, right? So if you want to use this option so that people can apply with their resume and you can see as you can see, if you have to create the backend system so that only people can apply. All this to see what happens is water all packets if you have created so far, and in that case, if you have not created you don't use this option, or just to create new back and see you have to click on add new, and this option is for stops. Suppose your website is managed by different peoples, right? If you create this website for a company, in that case, maybe some stops are using for their self-purpose, someone is using for the purpose, someone is using for managing all, just to take care of the event that you can assign new stuffs from this part. You can categorize them who are all indifferent. You can categorize like a sales team, marketing team, development team, or designers team, anyone as per your requirement. You can choose Ryan and create new stops, right? And this place is for works. If you have some walks which you want to showcase on your website, try and use this option and it will show all your works, all your portfolios. You can simply click on all walks to see what are all options, what not works you have added so far. And same way you can categorize them, try them as well. And this part is for testimonials. Like you have got some testimony from your customers or the buyers, prospective buyers, and then in that case you can add new testimonials, and based upon the category of services which you provide, just to add this to see what are our testimonials you have used. So, in that case you can take on all testimonials, or to add new testimonial you have to click on add new option. And this option is for site. The slide works right sidebar, So sidebar in the sense of like it was at the right hand side of the website, the widget if you want to add something to this one, and again the sport blue part I have on the screen. So portfolio in the sense you want to add new projects, new portfolios, what are all things you want to showcase on your website, you can use this part. And this is for contact. If you want to add new contact email address, select for example. There is one contact form in the contact page, then you can use this option. And this is for profile in the sense as I say, the like is stuffs in the stock. For stuffs you can create new segregation of the people who are managing this website. And in the same manner to have some different peoples who are managing this website, maybe some developer, maybe one content, maybe the administrator, maybe someone who is the sales manager, then you can create different profiles according to their job roles. And this is the tools. If you go to websites category, like for example, this is the writing reading that website settings, you can use this tools option. And this is for over WP battery page, that page builder. So this is a user interface by which you can use this builder to build your website. Without any hassle, just drag and drop. You have to simply drag and drop the elements, which you want to insert on the particular place. And this is to a lot of them, and you do not want to see this menu, the bigger size, you can simply click on this and this ninja will collapse. So well, that's all in this part. And that's all for today. Next video is learn how to customize WordPress theme, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.